If you're looking for a quick side hustle that'll put cash in your pocket as soon as possible, here are 5 quick side hustles that'll pay weekly that you can utilize to give you some extra income. Welcome back to Daniel's Brew, where I talk personal finance and career development. There are many side hustles that take a little bit of time and effort to set up, but once you've done it, they can be a lucrative, sustained source of income that can augment your cash flow on a regular basis. And if you want to explore some of these more long-term side hustles, you can check out this video on the 5 realistic side hustles you can do even if you work a 9-to-5 job. But sometimes you just need a small amount of quick cash for something immediate, and that's where these next 5 side hustles come into play. Especially if you're in college, these might be the best side hustles for college students trying to make a little bit of extra money in between classes. But one thing to note, these methods are quick and fairly easy to do, and they pay out as fast as weekly, but they might not bring in a huge amount of additional income. If you're okay with these trade-offs and looking for a side hustle that'll fit these parameters, then pay attention to these 5 that I have for you today. The first is branded surveys. This is a survey company where you simply register an account and take random surveys pertaining to different products or services. And when you complete a survey, you receive a certain amount of points, and when you've amassed 500 or more points, you can cash them out for payments into your PayPal or bank account, or choose to receive a gift card from your favorite retailer. It's easy to do, and with a Trustpilot rating of 4 stars, you can be assured that the survey process will be smooth and efficiently run. And since all this takes is just a computer and an internet connection, this might really be the best side hustle for college students or anyone else that has a busy lifestyle. Next, we have InboxDollars. InboxDollars are similar to branded surveys in that you register for an account and then sign up to do different activities for pay. InboxDollars do have surveys like branded surveys, but one of the more unique things about InboxDollars is that they also have other activities like playing online games or reading emails or even online shopping. The variety of activities offered in this site makes this one interesting and worthwhile, and this service also boasts a 4-star rating from Trustpilot. Third, we have Neighbors.com. This is a site that lets you rent out spare space that you have in your home to others in your neighborhood. The most common practices here are renting out your spare room or unused storage space in your garage. Getting started is easy. You simply list your spaces by telling Neighbors.com what room you have available and how much you'd like to charge for them. Then you review rental requests that come in, including what they want to store and when, and approve them. And finally, you schedule a move-in time with your renter. And that's it. You've utilized empty space in your home, earned some extra money, and helped out a fellow neighbor. Not a bad side hustle if you ask me. Number 4 on the list is taking advantage of Amazon's trade-in program. This program allows you to exchange Amazon devices and thousands of other eligible electronics from other manufacturers for an Amazon gift card for the assessed value of the trade-ins. It's really simple. You identify old electronics you have lying around, upload and submit them into the trade-in portal where you'll get an estimated trade-in value for your products, then ship your items to Amazon via UPS for free, or drop it off at an approved trade-in location within 45 days, and Amazon will then issue you your gift card as soon as it's received. It's a great way to clear some old electronics that you might have lying around, in addition to making some extra money. And lastly, one of the best ways to earn some fast cash is to become a DoorDasher. DoorDashing is one of the simplest ways to start a side hustle, and the only thing you need to begin is a car and a valid driver's license. They make it really easy for you to get started with their straightforward onboarding process, and when you complete your first dash, they'll even send you a Dasher welcome kit, which contains items like a food warming bag, red card, hand sanitizer, and a mask for Dasher safety. And DoorDash's payment model is actually well structured as well. Each dash has a base pay that's calculated by time and distance and desirability of the order, and then there are promos or challenges that allow you to increase your pay for that dash, and of course there are always tips from the customers as well, which you, the Dasher, always keep 100% of. And what's really cool about DoorDash payments is that they offer many different methods of getting paid, including weekly deposits, daily cash outs, and more. And there you have it. If you're looking for a quick side hustle that pays weekly, these are the 5 that I would recommend. If you'd like to see some other side hustles or other personal finance content, just click down below in the playlist links that I have in the description section, or go to danielsbrew.com. So thanks for joining me today on Daniel's Brew, and we'll see you next time.